We are starting the Pierce Arrow in cold. Before we start the engine, we check that we have oil in the sump, which you will see on the sight glass, and that's a good amount. The oil is filled from the tank, which is in fact a supplementary reservoir. You have oil in that tank, and then by operating this tap, you then fill the engine to the required amount. So you top up the engine from the tank. There's no other way of filling the engine. To start the engine, we are going to need to pedal it in gear. So we turn on the petrol, prime the carburetor with the tickler, we just get a drip. The gearbox is in neutral at the moment, so you pick a good position to start pedalling from, so you get a good downward push. Select second gear, select valve lift, because that's advance, retard, valve lift. On the throttle, we've marked it so position 2 for starting, so that's tick over to full throttle. So it actually rotates the opposite way round to you'd expect. So we set for 2, we set the advanced retard on valve lift, we start to pedal, and then I will close the valves and the engine will start. As soon as the engine starts, I'm able to put it in neutral. That's full retard. We advance the ignition. Responds very nicely to throttle.
Thank you, Jerry.